What do central banks think of Ethereum or Bitcoin? Central bank representatives have stated that the adoption of cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin pose a significant challenge to central banks' ability to influence the price of credit for the whole economy. Now, what basically it means is central bank knows that these cryptocurrencies are out of their control. Therefore, they cannot control the whole economy. They cannot tax it. They cannot stop outflow of funds. Therefore, they are really concerned about them. They have also stated that as the trade using cryptocurrencies become more popular, there is bound to be a loss of consumer confidence in local currencies. Now, basically, what this means is they are telling that you live, let's assume, in UK or you live in Germany. So you have your own currency. Example, for UK there is a Great Britain pound. For Germany there is euro. Now these currency fall and rise according to the government different like tools. Example, interest rate rises, currencies fall, imbalances causes currencies fall, and so on and so forth. However, these cryptocurrencies are not related to one country or its economic gains or losses. This is the global currencies. So once they are global, there's always demand coming in to buy, and people are selling it as well. So it's more stable than currencies um, within the geographical limits. So that's why cryptocurrencies are bound for the future because people will feel more secure owning them than in owning their own currencies. Because at the end of the day, you want your net worth to grow rather than fall. Greg Murphy, a central bank officer, has stated widespread use of cryptocurrencies would also make it more difficult for statistical agencies to gather data on economic activity, which are used by governments to steer the economy. He cautioned that virtual currencies pose a new challenge to central banks' control over the important functions of monetary and exchange rate policy. Now, what it really means is central bank uses of statistics to know that let's assume 8 trillion is in the economy or 100 people own $100,000. Now, when cryptocurrency comes in, they will not know that if a individual have $10 million into his account or owns $20 million worth of cryptocurrency. So they won't know if they can tax him to gather more money out of him, or he can claim he doesn't have so much wealth to pay taxes because his wealth is stored in cryptocurrency. So he will have a currency off the government radar. Therefore, it will challenge the central bank's role in the economic functions or exchange rate policy because they will not find them into the normal or existing statistical databases. Thank you.